Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 Kenworth T800 factory built glider kit day cab. And this one's got it all, guys. Built at a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 18 speed, full lockers, 46 rears, wet kit, extended cab, VIT interior. It's only got 592,000 total miles on it. It was overhauled a few 100,000 ago. I've got it hot this morning. Gonna do a full walk around, show you blow by, oil pressure, frame rail, tires, brakes, the whole 9 yards. Let's go ahead and get started. Excellent steers. Now this one's gonna have a little bit of rust on it, nothing detrimental to the frame, nothing major, but it's gonna have some smaller rust and some brackets. Looks really good. Really good. Love the color on this one as well. You're not going to find a whole lot this paint code. So if you like something just a little bit different but don't want to get wild and crazy, this is it. Got extra chicken lights. The factory built split tanks for your hydraulic oil. Said your main part of your frame is in fantastic shape. There's your lines for your wet kit. Great rear rubber. Does have a partial double frame as well, you can notice there. All aluminum wheels, air slide fifth wheel. Only damage to note on this truck anywhere is that crease right there in the middle of the fuel tank. It's not just awful, but if you're looking at it, the light hits it, you're gonna see that, so. Really good look to it. I would imagine there's probably not another glider kit on the market spec quite like this one with 46s, lockers, and 18 speed. Extra gauges. Great low side oil pressure. Jumps up there exactly like it's supposed to. Super smooth to the RPMs. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. And also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.